got to wait. Is it coming around this way? Which way is it coming?
I don't know. We're gonna be running.
Oh,
You better back up.
We cover.
It's coming, isn't it?
Yeah. Can't. We're gonna have to just go through it. We're gonna have to just go through it.
Well, we're planning on getting wet today. That wasn't too bad. Water never hurt anybody. We don't supposed to be up here then, not that many.
They don't supposed to have the sprinklers as well.
Oh, that look. Okay, is this gonna take us in a? It's a shame that this little bit of fun can make somebody happy. Yep. You don't have to have a lot of money.
No.
Just spending time with each other.
Yep. That's it.
Yeah. Nice.
Yep. Good morning.
How y'all
doing? Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
So that was get out of food.
Yeah. Evidently. Look at white ball. She got the stripes. She got the stripes. I got the whole ball.
She can be backseat side, he can be backseat referee.
Yes, sure. Ooh, Daddy got a nice stroke.
All right.
Daddy, you got a nice stroke. I see that. I see that stroke. Good shot.
Oh, you filmed it?
Yeah, I filmed it.
Oh.
Got happy you just.
So you gonna let me do it? Are you gonna let me do it?
Oh, good try. Get in there, get in there. Okay. Oh, let me see.
Yes, hand go for it.
I got it. I know what it is. This hard wood and that black net.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
The white net can be a little bit better.
Oh, you trying to go for corners now. You trying to go for corners now.
Who's practicing? Oh, you trying to send me to the corner?
Come on, let me get some more tips. I might not get a king, but
Yeah.
come on. I need, no,
You want to continue the motion?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do it for you.
I'll
do it for you. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. How you like that? I gotta make sure I crown it though. I gotta make sure I crown it right there.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.